Okay, now we created that list, putting all data together. What we want to do is to use this command and this command. We now have the file names. What we want to do, let me just call this list a thing that makes sense, creating a function that put all data in a list. Let me just create another line. Now we create a list and call it list of data list, and make it empty. Let me just want to test something. Let's call d is equal to 1, 2, and then c is equal to 3 and 4. Print d plus c. Okay, the list can be appended like this. Okay, we now have data list. We say for x in what, as you can say, for x in file names, print x at first to see if the code is right or not. The x is right. For x in the, we put that here, and here we we here just write x. Okay, we have some kind of problem that I don't know. There is no such a file. Why we have two CSVs? Oh, I found the error. If we delete this line, the problem should be fixed. Now let's see if the problem is fixed or not. Run it again. The problem is fixed or not. What is the problem? It's go for. Okay, let's see what data list have. I some kind of find out the problem, I think. Len data list. It's 0. Why? We don't appending them. We just call it ss data list dot append ss, and just delete this print x. Run it and see what the error is said. Let's get the length of that. It gives us 41 data. I think the problem is in the data. What is the problem is? Tokenizing data, CL, buffer overflow cut, possible 140 files. Let's go and see which data is give us error. For that we print x here to see which data give us the error. The 25 data. Let's go for 25 and see what is the problem with 25. Let's see. It don't have any problems, I think. Don't have any problem. But what is the problem? Let me just print data list and see what it has. Okay, it's not the thing that I want. Data list is equal to SS. We have the SS, but why it feels so wrong about it? What is the problem? Okay, we figure out the problem in the next lesson. Have a